OnPassive is going to blow the minds of the unbelievers. Those who sit on the sidelines watching things happen and acting when it was too late. Those who said that OnPassive was too good to be true, so it is not real. Those are the people who will be devastated when OnPassive opens for business very soon. These are the same types of unbelievers who said that Amazon would be no more than an online bookseller. For those who thought like that, how did it turn out? They missed out on becoming a significant part of this Amazon giant. OnPassive is going to cause more heartaches for the many who say that no way is OnPassive going to work. How sad it is going to be when the founder's position in OnPassive will be closed, when OnPassive opens for business. The founder's position in OnPassive is an acclaimed position. Those who are founders have made the best decision of their financial lives. The success of Amazon, when it opened for business, is going to be dwarfed in comparison to the opening of OnPassive. OnPassive was not created for the heavy hitters. It was designed for the newbies, those who cannot recruit, those who are technically challenged, those who can't sell anything, those who are shy, introverted, afraid to talk to people, those with low self-esteem. None of that matters, because OnPassive will do all the work for them. It is totally automated. All a person has to do is just get in and ride the wave of OnPassive. OnPassive will do the rest for them. How hard is that to do? Even when OnPassive opens for business, those who will not be able to be founders, all is not lost. They will benefit by being customers and resellers of OnPassive superior products. OnPassive will save them money and make them money. But the money will never be equal to the life-changing and generational-changing money that founders will make. That is the truth. The loving and sharing hearts of OnPassive founders will share their blessings to help the rest benefit from OnPassive. Just think. All of this started with one man's vision. The vision of Mr. Mufareh. John White, USA. A Bill Must production.